Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I welcome you to my new amazing project text to speech converter. So in this we are going to convert our text into speech. In this beautiful input box we are going to type our text, and here is the beautiful button. So when we click on it, it will convert our text into speech. So let's try it.
Hi, welcome to my channel.
We have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So it's a very simple project. So before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So come to our VS Code. So in this VS Code, I have changed my first theme, that is called jellyfish theme. So you can go into this extension and search for jellyfish theme, and you will get the theme. So come to our VS Code. In this we have a basic structure of HTML, and in this we have a title, text to speech, and then we have linked our CSS file. Then in our body tag we have a div with class container, and in this div we have a h1 tag, text to speech converter, which you can see here, text to speech converter. So here now we have a text area with id text, and we have a placeholder interior text here. So here is the text area box, and here when I remove this, it will show the placeholder enter text here. So now we have a button with a on click event with a function speak. So now we have linked our JavaScript file here. Now come for CSS file. In CSS file we have linked our font awesome link poppins. So here we have a body tag. In this we have a beautiful background linear gradient. Then we have a font family poppins and sans serif. Then come to our container class. Here we have a container class. So in this container class we have a display flex and a flex direction column, and text line center and margin from top is 50% for our this beautiful container. So in this beautiful container we have a h1 tag and font size 36 pixel and a margin bottom 20 pixel and a beautiful color of the text for our h1 tag. So now here for our text area we have a width 500 pixel, height 200 pixel, and padding 10 pixel, and a font size 18 pixel, and margin bottom 20 pixel, and a border radius 5 pixel, and a border 1 pixel solid red. Sorry, it's white. Then we have a box shadow, and then we have a outline none. So for our text area, then in this we have a button tag with a font size 24 pixel and a padding 7 pixel from top and right and 20 pixel from left and right. Then we have a background linear gradient for our beautiful button, and we have a color, and then we have a border none. Then we have a border radius 6 pixel and a cursor pointer and font family, and then we have a box shadow. See, when I hover on it, I'll zoom it and show you. When I hover on it, see its color changes and a beautiful color. So for that, for hovering we have a beautiful linear gradient and transform translate 1%, and then we have a transition 0.3 second each. So when you hover on it, so its position little bit change downwards. So then for our responsiveness we have a maximum width 600 pixel. At this point breakpoint we have a width 100% and a height 150 pixel. Then we have a font size 16 pixel. For button we have a font size 20 pixel and a button padding we have a 8 pixel and 16 pixel. That's it for the our CSS file. So now come for our JavaScript file. So it's a very small JavaScript line. So in this small JavaScript line we are going to work the main thing. So here in this we have provided our a function called speak. So we have created one function speak. So here we have pass our own button this function speak. So then we have a variable text, and in this we have a get our id with text dot value, means whatever we'll type in this text area whatever we'll type will get this by id, and what the value will give in this text area whatever the text will type in this text will get this by dot value. This value it will get the value. Then we have a variable utterance, and in this we have used the web speech API to convert. So in this we have a speech synthesis utterance. So what is this? This is the object, and this is retrieving the text from as an argument, and then this object present a speech. This object represent a speech request that can be passed to the speech engine. So we are using the speech web API of our web browser to convert it into text into speech. So then we have called our speech synthesis dot speak. So this is the method we are passing the to the object as an argument this variable, and this method initiate the speech synthesis process and speak the provided text. So it will speech the synthesis dot speak, it will whatever the text we have given that will speak. This is the object and this is the method we have used speech synthesis dot speak. Then whatever will give here the text, it will convert our text into speech, and this object will this will use web our web browser API to identify our text and convert it into the speech. So remember this object we have passed our value whatever the text we have, and then this whatever the text it will identify, and then it will convert our text into speech by this speech synthesis dot speak, and then we have pass our this variable. So like that we have created our beautiful speech to converter using HTML, CSS and few line of JavaScript. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel and don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We will meet in next video with a new amazing project. Thank you.